Hello everyone, so this is the fourth video of these line wise explanation series of the chapter the third level. So we came to know in the previous video that Sam is ultimately disappeared and Charlie got the envelope, and that envelope is not at all blank. Inside the envelope there was a paper and something is written on that paper. What? This is the thing that was written on that particular paper. See, so this is the address 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it's true. I found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks and right now down the street at the Deli's, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing Sing Nellie Home, and I am invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. So now this was written, and what is written here, last line, the note is signed Sam. So Sam ultimately sent a letter to Charlie where he is saying that he is in the third level. Somehow he reached after having the ideas or conversation or details that he got from Charlie, and now he is in third level and he is very happy. They are all singing, playing the piano, and he is saying that Charlie and Louisa, you please keep looking, and I am saying you that it is the best place. So how Sam ultimately reached? Is it really possible? Next we will explain. Wait. At the stamp and coin store I go to, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency that ought to set him up in a nice little hay, feed and grain business. He always said that's what he really wished he could do, and he certainly can't go back to his old business. Not in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894, his old business. Why Sam was my psychiatrist. Now the character Charlie ultimately got to know that from that shop Sam also bought $800 worth of old style currencies. Sam ultimately bought that currencies of the old days, and Sam is now very happy. He always said that's what he really wished he could do. So it was also the wish of Sam to have this kind of simple life, peaceful world. But in the modern world, he was a psychiatrist dealing with the problems of different kinds of people. But Sam was also a kind of person who loved to be in the imaginary world, who loved to visit the world that Charlie is explaining. Now Charlie is saying that why Sam was my psychiatrist, because Sam is also having that kind of mind that Charlie is having, right? So first of all we got to know that Charlie was unable to go to the third level, though he ultimately got the routes and everything, tunnel, address, currency, everything. His plan was ready but he could not go. But Sam ultimately reached, as per the opinion of this character Charlie. Now 2-3 questions are there. Whether it is really possible for anyone to go to the third level? The answer is no, never. It is not possible. So how he is going, and how Sam can send a letter from that particular zone to Charlie, this letter? It is only possible in the sense maybe Charlie is having a kind of imagination, a frustrated mind. Frustrated mind, first of all, because he is unable to go and he wanted to go. Sam disappeared. So he is having the doubt that probably Sam ultimately went. That is why he is saying that Sam ultimately reached to the third level. And he is probably in a dream in his own home where he is getting the letters, and he is having a thought that Sam is writing to me and Sam is in that peaceful world and I could not go, and Sam is now very happy. So whatever my wish was there, it was now fulfilled by Sam. So maybe all these are the imagination of Charlie regarding his journey, that he want to go to the third level. Sam disappeared. Charlie ultimately started thinking that probably Sam reached to the third level out of frustration. So it is not possible for anyone to go to third level. Charlie could not go. Sam went, maybe in the imagination of Charlie. And Charlie is thinking, Sam went, Sam is writing a letter from that particular time zone, July 18, 1894, to me, and I am reading his letter in my home while sitting in the present day. So this is one explanation. And the another explanation is, maybe the character Sam ultimately went or may not, and he is also having this kind of thoughts, and he is writing this kind of letter to Sam, that I am there in my own imaginary world, the world that you told me, and I am also in that particular zone. So Sam is also thinking and maybe really writing to Charlie, having mentioned the date of that previous day, and Charlie is reading the letter. So Sam is also in the imaginary world, Charlie is also in the imaginary world. So I am saying again, Charlie is imagining that Sam ultimately reached and he could not. So Charlie is having the imagination and doubt that Sam went, Sam ultimately sent me and I could not, Sam is very happy, and he is thinking all this in his imaginary mind out of frustration. Maybe nobody has gone and it is not possible to go to the third level, one side. Second, Sam is also having that same kind of mind that Charlie was having. So probably Sam was also thinking, because he was also a psychiatrist, he is also having the same kind of mind like Charlie, but he is dealing with different kinds of problems of the people. So he is also thinking about that kind of world, that if I can go, if I can visit, because he is a psychiatrist. He is also a visionary. So probably Sam is also having that same kind of thought, and he is writing in his home and he is sending the letter to Charlie by mentioning the date July 18, 1894. But the second explanation will not work that much, because if it is coming through the official route, then it is not possible. You are living in the 20th century and you are writing 1894, the post office will not accept it. So the first explanation is more applicable to the story, that it is all the chemical locha of that mind of Charlie, if we say it in a simple term. The frustrated mind feeling that I am having the dream, I could not go, my friend is going, and I am thinking that again I am a failure here and my friend succeeded. Clear? So this is all about the explanation regarding third level. A bit difficult, but again and again hear these videos, so you will have the clarification. Clear? So go through the text, and if there is any doubt, you can comment in that comment section of these videos. Clear? Thank you.